Hi, this is Tracy with DIY or Bust. After pricing windows for my custom window openings, I got a little bit of sticker shock, so I decided to, you guessed it, make my own windows. Follow me as I create my window frames, the boxes that those frames go in, and put my custom insulated glass units together to create my own windows. And then I painted all the frames. It's time to make the box that goes around the window frame, and I'll show you what it looks like on my first window that I did. Need to make these window sashes, and I'm gonna use this old growth redwood siding as the materials, and got to get it cleaned up. Got some work to do. On the table, I have set the window frame. No glass in it. It's much easier to handle without the glass being set yet. That'll be one of the last things I do. Then I put spacers all around, and I put my boards for the jam, and I use my cute little corner clamps all the way around. So I've got 1/4 inch spacers and my corner clamps all the way around. Now I just need to drill some, not that corner, silly me, drill some pilot holes here and here, and glue and screw. Now that the hinges have been installed, I got this laying on its back. This will be the view from the inside, and I'm going to use the tongue that I cut off of the siding. It was once attached like that. This is what I cut off, and I'm going to use this for my window stops. And it will look, that's really dark, sorry about that. See if I can get this any brighter. So you can see the profile there. That's going to be the profile, and I will just miter this in all the way around. And that will be my window stops. Now I am gluing and nailing the stop in place. This is just sitting here. It's just dry fitted. I've got the weather stripping pieces that I'm using for spacers in place, so I know how tight to get this glued and nailed down.